At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a yard sign business can be a profitable venture, especially if you have a knack for design and marketing. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand your target market. Who are your potential customers? What are their needs and preferences? Are there any competitors in your area? Analyze their strengths and weaknesses to identify opportunities for differentiation. 2. Business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. This will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you secure funding if needed. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Choose a suitable legal structure for your business, e.g., sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, and consult with a legal advisor to ensure compliance with local regulations. 4. Suppliers and equipment. Research suppliers for materials such as corrugated plastic, stakes, printing equipment, and design software. Choose reliable suppliers that offer quality products at competitive prices. Invest in equipment such as printers, cutting machines, and graphic design software. 5. Design and printing. Develop a portfolio of design templates for different occasions and events, e.g., birthdays, graduations, real estate. Offer customizable options for clients to add their own text, logos, and images. Ensure that your printing quality is high and that your designs are visually appealing and eye-catching. 6. Sales and marketing. Create a marketing strategy to promote your business and attract customers. Utilize online platforms such as social media, a professional website, and online marketplaces to showcase your products and reach a wider audience. Network with local businesses, event planners, and real estate agents who may need your services. 7. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Respond promptly to inquiries, address any issues or concerns, and deliver orders on time. Consider offering discounts or promotions for repeat customers or referrals. 8. Expansion and diversification. As your business grows, consider expanding your product offerings to include other types of signage such as banners, vehicle wraps, or promotional materials. Diversifying your services can help attract new customers and increase revenue streams. 9. Track performance. Monitor your business performance regularly and track key metrics such as sales, customer feedback, and ROI on marketing efforts. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions to grow your business. Starting a yard sign business requires dedication, creativity, and attention to detail, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.